People's Daily. This year marks the 45th anniversary of reform and opening up, and the 10th anniversary of the establishment of pilot free trade zones in China. In the context of anemic economic recovery and rampant protectionism, is China's opening up facing headwinds? What has the National Committee done in promoting opening up? Thank you.
人民日报记者哈，这提到今年是改革开放40
Indeed, this year marks the 45th anniversary of reform and opening up. 45 years ago, this policy started. It has not only transformed China, but also boosted the world's prosperity and development. General Secretary Xi Jinping stressed on multiple occasions that no matter how the world will change, China's faith in and its commitment to reform and opening up will not waver, and that China's door of opening up will not close, but open even wider. In recent years, China has kept making progress in opening up. We have improved the environment for foreign investment. The national foreign investment negative list has been reduced to 31 items, and the number of national pilot free trade zones increased to 21. Various measures have been taken to facilitate the opening up of investment, trade, finance, and travel with greater opening up and transparency. This year also marks the 10th anniversary of pilot free trade zones. In Hainan, a free trade port with Chinese characteristics and global influence is advancing steadily. It will become a model of China's opening up in the new era. We have expanded the globally oriented network of high-standard free trade areas, formally signed and promoted the entry into force of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership RCEP, and worked actively for joining the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership CPTPP and the Digital Economy Partnership Agreement DEPA. China has also promoted high-quality Belt and Road cooperation and hosted the China International Import Expo 5 years in a row. In 2022, China's imports and exports exceeded $6 trillion, and the utilized foreign investment totaled over $189 billion, both hitting record high. Looking forward, we'll continue to open wider and provide new opportunities and fresh impetus to global development. The CPPCC National Committee has actively contributed to opening up through various efforts, and we've put opening up as one of the priorities of our work, through forms such as special consultative meetings of the Standing Committee, special democratic oversight, and thematic research. The CPPCC Foreign Affairs Committee identified the implementation progress of major opening up measures during the 14th five-year plan as the theme of its special democratic oversight. And the results of their work was highly appreciated. China cannot develop in isolation from the world, nor can the world develop by shutting out China. China is ready to work with the rest of the international community to build an open world economy, a community with a shared future for mankind, and together create a brighter future. The CPPCC National Committee will, as always, perform its duties, making proposals and building consensus on promoting high-standard opening up. Thank you.